Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter icing. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter and 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. For sweetness, have 3 cups of powdered sugar on hand. Finally, prepare 1/4 cup of milk, which we'll use to achieve the perfect consistency. These simple items are the foundation for delicious icing. Now, let's start mixing. In a large bowl, beat your softened butter until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. This aeration is key for a smooth icing. Next, add the creamy peanut butter to the butter. Continue beating these 2 ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and uniform. Make sure there are no streaks or lumps, creating a perfectly smooth base for your delicious icing. It's time to add the sweetness. Gradually incorporate the 3 cups of powdered sugar into your butter and peanut butter mixture. Start mixing on a low speed to avoid a sugary mess, then increase as it combines. Next, slowly pour in the 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until your icing reaches the desired consistency. You might not need all of it, or you might need a tiny bit more. For that perfect, fluffy texture, beat your finished icing on medium-high speed for about 2 minutes. This step incorporates air, making it wonderfully light and spreadable. A small pinch of salt can also really enhance the peanut butter flavor, so consider adding that. Your delicious peanut butter icing is now ready to use. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.